Alright, so here is the best way on how you can access TikTok Shop. So first up, what you need to do is just simply open up TikTok. And if you can't see the option of TikTok Shop, so there's a few things that you can do to bring it on your TikTok. First up, what you need to do is simply press on your three horizontal lines on the corner when you're in your chat. Right over here, you need to go to settings and privacy. And once you're over here, what you need to do, you need to find report option. So it's different for every mobile. So right over here, as you can see, it says report a problem. So you need to press on that. And after that, you'll see some other options, but you need to go down and see the option of report. Just go ahead and press on report. And now it's different for every phone right over here, okay? It differs for every region, and it's different for every phone and app. So right over here, you'll either see the option of report, or you have to press on support tickets. Once you press on it, it'll do its loading thing. So it might take a while, but you have your support tickets over here. So you have to make sure that your support tickets are available. If you don't have them, you cannot do the reporting thing. But the main thing is that you have to report something. So what I'm gonna do is right over here, try to report a chat with us. So we'll go to chat with us, and right over here you need to press on other. So here, as you can see, you can simply do this, and it will tell you all the ways, and you can just resolve it if it's but you just have to confirm that if it's available on your region, you'll automatically get it. So yeah, this is it. I hope this video actually helps you out.